And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube. Hello Salbakti, happy Friday. Hello Annie, hello Miguel. Thank you Forex Trading for Beginners. Hello Miguel, hello Zuelius, Salbakti, hello MHB. Everybody, we are trying to build the three pillars. Pillar number one, the strategy and or the system. Pillar number two, risk management. And pillar number three is the psychology part, everybody. Okay, let me just adjust the chat so I can see your comments, everyone. Namaste Patak, how are you? And remember everyone, if this is your first time with us, we are in the intermediate module. We are learning about the Fibonacci's, and if you have a difficult time, if you don't understand why it's happening, how it's happening, where it's happening, when it's happening, please go back to the Ducascope YouTube webinar page and start to watch the lesson starting from lesson number 1. What is market structure? And what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders say, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And this is a quote from Mark Douglas. MAG says, Euro-CAD pair. How to adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. We are going to check, yes, if this is the pair. Okay. Remember everybody, 90% of traders lose money in the forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. Salbakti and Miguel, we are going to have a talk after the webinar, right? So let's dive into the charts, everybody. We talked about yesterday. How was the news? How was the news about Canada, everybody? How was the news? Let me check the daily chart before we move on the Euro-CAD. How was the news? Whoops. Let me see the chart, everybody. Well, NZD is pushing up, so looks like that the news was or bad for Canada or not that good. How was the news? Okay, so let's move on Euro-CAD. Let me check Euro-CAD. The lesson today is how to adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend, right? So Euro-CAD, 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 there you go. Just give me a second, everybody. Not very exciting for Canada. Okay, great, no problem. Euro-CAD monthly chart. We are in an uptrend. Euro-CAD weekly chart. We are in an uptrend. Euro-CAD daily chart. Let's open Euro-CAD daily chart. Euro-CAD daily chart, Euro-CAD daily chart. MHB, did you enter into a trade on Euro-CAD? Euro-CAD daily chart and Euro-CAD 4-hour chart. MHB, did you enter into a trade on Euro-CAD? Euro-CAD 4-hour chart, Euro New Zealand, Euro JPY, Euro-CAD 4-hour chart. There you go. Employment rate below the consensus. Thank you, Miguel. And talking about how to adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend, right? So let's talk about the monthly. But we talked about already about this right now. If I recall correctly, everybody, we talked about the Euro-CAD with Eddington, right? And we have EuroCat here, the Contrarian. Yes, buy from 144. Okay, MHB, what is your question? What is your question, MHB? We are going to check another pair, talking about Fibonacci, because we did this on Tuesday. We talked about EuroCAD on Tuesday with Eddington. We talked about this one. So we are going to check another pair in an uptrend. Okay? But tell me, what is the, do you have any question, I mean, about the trade, the entry, the stop loss, you know, whatever? We've seen this pair before, yes sir, Miguel. Okay, everybody, please type in the chat some other currency pair that it's in an uptrend, up structure, up market wave. If not, we are going to choose just one, you know, we are going to pick one and we are going to talk about. Oh, so you don't have any question, MHB? Okay, great. Let's talk about, everybody, Euro NZD, huh? Euro NZD. I'm going to wait for you guys, Euro NZD. Or maybe some other pair. Okay, there you go, everybody. Euro NZD monthly chart. We're going to delete the indicators. We're going to delete this one and this and this. Okay. So we have the ABC. ABC. Whoa, I need to adjust my Fibonacci's, everybody. A to B consensus from other brokers at 1.85. So let me see this ABCD. Okay, as you can see, everybody, what happened here on the Euro New Zealand. Oh, GBP USD. Okay, let's switch to GBP USD. Thank you, Miguel. GBP USD. On the Euro New Zealand, everybody, we didn't have a confirmed C, but the market went up, right? GBP USD. Just give it a second, everybody. Monthly chart first. Okay. Well, on the monthly chart, this market is still in a down structure, everybody, so no lesson here. On the weekly, let's compress. We are down, no lesson here for us. Let's check the daily. Daily, okay, great, daily. Okay. Daily chart, this is what we are seeing, everybody. So we are going to draw first our up Fibonacci, right? We are going to draw first our first up Fibonacci, the original one. So this is the A, this is the B. Let's color code this as the original one, original Fibonacci. We are going to put the letters. This is going to be our A. 24, this is going to be our A, this is going to be our B, this is going to be our C, right? And this is going to be our D. Projected the extension, green goes to green, goes up, right? There you go. Now what we are going to do, everybody, we are going to do again both things. We are going to, number one, we are going to find if this is a confirmed C, which most likely is not, and then we want to find, we are going to adjust our Contrarian Fibonacci. We want to find if the Contrarian Fibonacci is still working in here. Okay, so number one, what we are going to do, everybody. Now this is a great, thank you Miguel, this is a great example, you know. Where should we start drawing our Contrarian Fibonacci? From the, now again, let's not mix apples with bananas, everybody. We want to find, number one, if this C is confirmed or not, okay? Now, where are we going to start this? From the first arrow, or from the second arrow, or from the third arrow? Which one? Is it going to be the B high, or is it going to be the second high, or is it going to be the third high? Let's see, everybody, how good you are at remembering the Fibonacci rules. What is the A, what is the B, what is the C, what is the D? What is the sub A, what is the sub B, what is the sub D, what is the sub C, you know? And if you don't understand this, everybody, or if you didn't train enough, you are most likely not skilled enough, which is okay, but you are going to make mistakes, you know. Zuelius number 2. Why number 2, Zuelius? Second arrow. Why the second arrow, King? Why the number 2? And everybody, today we are going to finish the webinar 10 minutes before, okay? And we are going to talk quickly about your next level, as we do every Friday. Why number 2, everybody? Second, third. Why? Why number 2? Why not the B high, everyone? Why not the B high? Somebody is going to say, oh, but last year you said that it's from the B high, you know. Why not the B high, or maybe the third one? Choo. You, everybody, you are correct, but do you know why? And in the meantime, I'm going to put the sub A, right? So 18 and sub A, and clone. This is going to be our sub B, and clone. This is going to be our sub C. Yes, I'm sorry, everybody, but I have tons of stuff to do, you know. I didn't finish. I mean, I'm late on almost everything that I'm doing. Sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. We need to finish 10 minutes before today. Sub B, sub C, sub D. Zuelius, A is the first high, absolute high, highest high starting point if a downtrend. Higher high, the second one. Congratulations to you, everybody. This is the highest high. This is the starting point of a downtrend, right? Passion, where do you see a downtrend? Well, this is the downtrend. This is the downtrend, and everybody's correct. Is the second arrow. This is the highest high. You know, is the starting point of a downtrend, and this is the downtrend. Yes, but everybody, there is no yes but. Those are the rules, you know. There is no yes but. No, there is no yes but. This is the sub A, and Fibonacci retracement tool. We're going to color code with different colors. Sub A, sub B, sub C is up in here, so orange goes to orange, right? Sub A, sub B, sub C, and this is the sub B. Horizontal line, if you want, everybody. Sub A goes to sub C and orange goes to orange. This is the next low, which is equals our C, and this is our sub B. Our sub B, everybody, equals our capital C of the original Fibonacci. So this is our Fibonacci, our contrarian Fibonacci, when we are looking for the confirmed C. Okay, Patak, what do you say, my friend? Is this a confirmed C or not? Is this a confirmed C? What do you say, Patak and everybody else? It is the first high, highest high, beginning of a downtrend. Yes, sir, correct. So this is the A, this is the B. We just adjusted the contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend, you know. So short-term wave, extension, retracement, extension. Those are the borderlines on the short term on GBP USD daily chart. We learned this, everybody. If this is your first time again or the second time with us and you don't understand, oh, why is this, why it's not like differently, you know, please go back to the Ducascope YouTube webinar page and start to watch the lessons on what is structure, what is market wave, you know. Salbakti says no. What do you say, Patak? Do we have a confirmed C? No, correct, no. Now the question comes, can I trade, you know, can I buy this market? Can I go long on GBP USD daily chart? So what else we can drop? We can draw an uptrend line, right? Something like this. Let me see, I have here a low on the left, I cannot break the low, so it's going to be like this. Everybody, is my trend line right or wrong? And if you give the wrong answer, everybody, I'm going to tell you, go back on the basic module and learn about trend lines. Is this trend line right or wrong, everybody? Or it should be like this. What do you say? Which one is the correct one? The black one or the violet one? Not confirmed, sub-A is broken. Yes, sir, correct. So the question is, even though I don't have my C is not confirmed, can I trade this one? Can I buy the market? Guys, if you don't remember, if you didn't learn the basic module, you know, the beginner module, trend lines, again, you are subject to make mistakes, you know. Which one is right, Zuelius? The black one or the pink one? Type in the chat, everybody, black one right, pink one wrong, or black one wrong, pink one right. Zuelius, black is right. Salbakti, it's wrong, sir. Which one is wrong? Is wrong the black one or is wrong the pink one, the violet one? The black one is wrong. No, it is correct, sir. The black one. The black one is touching the low, correct. First, okay. Oh, Man, I'm proud of you, everybody. You are correct. The black one is correct. Yes, sir. Wow. I'm proud of you. Finally, somebody is learning, you know. Congratulations to you, everybody. The black one is still in place. Yes, but. There is no yes, but. We are going to adjust our uptrend line when the market is going to make another higher high. There is no yes, but. Black until a new higher high hit the pink will be our line. Yes, correct. Okay, everybody, so we clarified about the scene. Now we want to understand if it is the right time for us to enter buying this market according to the Fibonacci's, right? So what this is one story, you know, about the conformity. This story is done. Now we are going to draw another Contrarian Fibonacci, counter Fibonacci, to see if the market broke the Contrarian Fibonacci or not. Black is wrong. No, sir, black is correct. Black one confirms the uptrend. Yes, sir. Patak, the black one is correct. You know. And we're going to adjust the trend line only and if the market makes another high up in here. So we're going to use the same tools and the same concept again, everybody. Okay, now before we draw the Fibonacci, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use another word. I'm going to put it like sub A. Okay, you can name it like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. Okay, but I'm going to use the A, B, C, D, sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D, and for the third Fibonacci, I'm going to use the sub A, sub B. Passion, why the sub? I don't know. Sub D. This is how I learned, you know. I mean, it's nothing. I never ask anybody, you know, why do we use these names? But it's not a rule, everybody. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, you can put X, Y, Z, whatever. So sub A, sub B, sub D, and the last one is the sub C. Sub C, right? So this is the highest high, the starting point of a downtrend, Fibonacci retracement tool. This is our sub B. And let me zoom in, everybody, so we can see, right? Zoom in. This is our sub B. This is our sub C. Violet goes to violet, and this is our sub D, right? I was thinking you will call somebody to the office. Not today. Today is Friday, you know. But I called somebody this morning in the office, believe me. It's nice, you know, when somebody comes to the office, we can have a straight talk. Okay, everybody, this is sub A, sub B, sub C, and sub D. So, what can you read, everybody? Is it the right time to enter? We are learning, everybody, how to apply the Fibonacci rules and techniques to all the other stuff that we learned already, you know. So we have the uptrend line, and we have the up structure, and we have the market wave, and now we are learning about the Fibonacci's, and we have the original Fibonacci, but we are learning about also the Contrarian Fibonacci. So our C is not confirmed, and we have a Contrarian Fibonacci that is still valid. So now the question is, what is high probability? You know, what is high probability? Should I go long or should I go short? I mean, and today is Friday. I want to make a plan for next week, you know. And happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. We have here a counter trend line break, and the train has left the station, and we can draw a counter trend line break in here, a counter trend line, I'm sorry, in here. And you are my teacher, everybody. I'm your student. Teacher, starting from next week, should we make a plan to short the market, or should we make a plan to buy the market? What would you say, everybody? Don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. We are just talking about probabilities, you know. We are playing chess with the market, right? Should we make a plan to go short if the counter trend line break happens? Or should we make a plan to enter long? I mean, Victor, if you want to come to my office, you are welcome, you know. Please come to my office. Guys, you cannot learn if you are always right. Believe me, nobody is going to learn, oh, I know everything and I'm right. Okay, you know, just do it by yourself, no problem. You can learn when you accept that maybe you are wrong, and you shut up, shut your mouth, and listen to what we are telling you, everybody. Oh, Passion, but you are rude. No, I'm telling you the truth, you know. Victor is joking. Oh, somebody is going to come to the office. In the office is where you learn. You learn when you get a warning, everybody. Don't do this, don't do that. Do this like this, don't exceed your risk. You know, this is when you learn. But if you are full of yourself, you know, oh, I know everything and I'm right, well, nobody can help you, I'm sorry, you know. So, office time, it's a nice time. If you understand how this trading world works. Zuelius buy, Miguel, we are late for the counter trend line break, better wait for another counter trend line in the other direction and bearish candlestick formation. Now it's late to enter long. Thank you, Zuelius, thank you, Miguel. There is a comment on the other streaming platform, I love your office. Yes you do, you know, yes you do. Yes, you do. We suffer time to time, right? But in the end, we make some money, you know. But you need to come to the office first, you know. So, yes, Miguel, you're right. The train has left the station, you know. Anybody else in here who wants to short the market, go long? What about this, everybody? So, Zuelius want to short the market, which is okay. Miguel says, let's short the market, but can we also make a plan if the market should fall and maybe, you know, just maybe make a plan for the next counter trend line break and go long again, right? Can we do both, you know? Can we make a plan to go short? And can we make a plan to go long also with the next opportunity, right? Like the violet one? You know? I mean, you are my teacher, I'm your student. Teacher, can I do both? I mean, can I short the market with the red counter trend line, and can I enter if, it's a plan, right? If the next up retracement is going to happen, can I enter also long? And can I profit on both sides? Remember, everybody, we are moving up and we are upgrading your knowledge, your skill, hopefully, you know. So in the beginning, before learning the Contrarian Fibonacci, we had one rule, right? So what was the rule? Where the rule was buy the uptrend, you know, this was the rule. Buy the uptrend. enter at the end of retracement. This was the rule, right? But now we are moving up and we are telling you, well, can I also short? Can I also short the market and take advantage and opportunity of both sides? Passion, but I don't want to. You don't need to. It's a theoretical question, you know, it's theory. You know, I have the original Fibonacci to help me with the structure or help me with the market wave or the trend. But can I also take opportunity with the retracements? Can I trade both? Yes, but it's risky. I know, but it's a theoretical question. We are making, today's Friday, and we are making a plan for next week, you know. Long trend line is holding the market. Contra trend line was broke. Market is making higher highs, higher lows. Yes, sir. I prefer to go long. Great answer, you know. Trade what you understand, everybody. Trade what you understand. My proposal means to trade the retracement. It will be better yours to wait for the another counter trend line and then enter long since the trend is up and we do not want to go against the trend. Great answer. Patak, next counter trend line break long. Great answer. Great answer, everybody. Okay. Any questions so far about how to adjust, everybody? Now, and one more thing for today, everybody. Remember that when you have Fibonacci's positioned like this, it's a similar example that we talked about EuroCat. It really doesn't matter what side are you going to choose. I'm talking about the Fibonacci's because it's 50-50, right? You can short the market with a 50% chance and you can go long with the 50% chance. So what is better? Well, of course you're right, everybody, when you say, oh, I prefer this, I feel more comfortable with this. You're absolutely right. But talking about probabilities, it really doesn't matter if you short the market or go up, you know, because the Fibonacci didn't retrace in any way enough to say, okay, this is a confirmed C or something else. Okay, everybody, we are going to spend 5 minutes on the next level, and I'm sorry for today. I need to go before the hour is finished, okay? Just quickly, what is your next level, everybody? If you want, okay, no pressure, no rush. If you are asking yourself, oh, what should I do now? Should I move on or whatever? So next level number 1, you can ask for private classes of Forex Course 101, or you can ask for the Forex Course 202 when you are going to learn how to execute, because professional traders, they don't think, they execute. Okay? A professional trader is never going to ask himself or herself on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday trading time, oh, is this trend line correct? You know, oh, is this Fibonacci? Professional traders don't do this. Number 2, if you want to start your own trading business and attract investors, connect and we'll talk about the specific business model, you know. There are specific business models in different countries available, and good news for you, no capital requirements. Number 3, if you think that you're ready and you want to test yourself as a professional trader, test rules apply to be considered as an apprentice in an institution like a hedge fund, broker, investment bank. You can test yourself on a real account with real money. Again, everybody, you have rules, okay? Number 4, if you want to trade with passion, you need minimum $25,000, and this is not a service, it's not a signal service. And again, you are going to have rules to follow. Number 5, if you want to trade with a professional charting software, next generation with the smart tools, and take advantage of technology, ask for more information. And everybody, it's not a platform, okay? JForex is a trading platform. It's both actually. It's a trading platform and charting software. But if you want to trade or test, something else, just ask for more information. And lastly, number 6, we made the incubation program. If you want to trade for a proprietary trading desk and have a chance to work as a proprietary trader, as a professional trader at an asset manager, this is your chance. Opportunity is not time related, but the asset manager has a limit, Again, everybody, it's no pressure. This is if you want, And this week we already had, every first Thursday of the month we will have a webinar when you can ask questions. Okay, let's go back to the original one. Okay, everybody, our time is up. I'm sorry I need to go sooner today. Okay, stay safe, stay strong, and relax with passion.